Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super simple video for you, and it's basically my lazy day vintage kind of look. Basically that kind of look where you only have about 15 minutes to get ready. This entire look took me only 15 minutes to do. It's really simple, just a really simplified, easy makeup look that still looks pretty and put together, and my go-to lazy day bun. So I really hope you like it. And don't forget you can follow me on Instagram at averyvintagedarling and on Twitter at thevintagedarling, and also read my blog, which is averyvintagedarling.wordpress.com. And please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And that's all I have to say, so let's just get straight into the tutorial. To start off your easy vintage look, you're just going to brush through your hair. This was one of those days where I really should have probably washed my hair, but I just couldn't be bothered. So I'm just brushing it through and creating a deep side parting, which is my favourite kind of parting to wear when I'm wearing this hairstyle. And you can see how bad my roots had gotten. Luckily I have my hair re-dyed and recut now, but in this video, yeah, they were pretty intense, but it does mean you can see how much my hair had grown. But now you're just going to smooth all of your hair back into a sleek ponytail. I like to wear this look very sleek and smooth, and then you're going to create a ponytail, but on the last round you're only going to pull the hair halfway through to create a really pretty sleek little bun. And that's the look. I like how it kind of almost looks like a pin curl, and then to cover the elastic I'm using this really pretty hair clip from Collective to complete the look, and I think it makes it look really sweet and like you put a lot more effort into your makeup than you did. Now for makeup, I'm starting by priming my face with a priming and setting spray, and then I'm going straight in with concealer. I'm using concealer in place of foundation for this tutorial because I think especially in the hot weather it's just a little lighter. So I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and you can see where I'm placing it underneath my eyes, on my chin, my nose and my forehead, and then blending out with my foundation brush so that there's no obvious kind of lines, but your skin looks kind of brightened and evened out. Then I'm moving straight into my eyebrows, so I brush them through first, and then I'm using the Soap & Glory DIY Brow Bar, and what I do is I only fill in the outer part of my eyebrows, but I like to extend the arch and also extend my eyebrow downwards, so I lengthen how long they are quite a bit. I just think this gives a really nice kind of easy vintage pretty look. I really like the way that this looks on me. Then to set them, I comb them through with a clear mascara that I use as a brow gel. And now to set the face, I use Bésame's Violet Brightening Powder, and I also use this to set the kind of extra drawn on eyebrow part that I have there, and I really love this powder. It's a gorgeous vintage product that really brightens up the face. And now to open up your eyes, you're just going to use your favourite mascara, whatever colour and brand that might be. I'm using the Lancôme Monsieur Big, which you know I've loved for a while now, but a great cruelty-free option is of course Too Faced. And I'm just wiggling this through my lashes, making sure to flick the eyelashes outwards to give a lifted and opened up effect. And then we can move on to giving you a healthy glow. So I love a lot of blusher. If you've been watching my tutorials for a while, you will know this. So I'm using the Natural Face Palette by Too Faced. I'm using Pink Wink on my cheeks quite heavily, and then also around the sides of my face and in the dent in my chin, or creating a dent in my chin almost. And then that's it. I'm not even adding any bronzer or highlighter or anything. I'm going straight into the red lip. Now this is what I find makes it look like you have put a lot more effort into your makeup than you actually have. I find that a stronger lip colour really does give the illusion that you're really put together. So I first outline with a lip liner, and then I use the bullet, and then I go back in with the lip liner to correct the shape. And this is Victory Red, by the way, 1941 Victory Red by Bésame again. And then I pull apart a tissue and place it over my lips, and then use powder over it to prolong the lip wear, the lip colour even. Slipping in some really cute little dangly pearl earrings I find also adds to the kind of put together factor of the look. And for my quick summer outfit, this is a gorgeous romper by Hearts and Roses. I love the button detailing, the belt, the rose pattern. It's just gorgeous. And then of course I paired it with my favourite backpack from House of Tweed. Hope you enjoyed this look, and I will see you all in my next video, my lovelies. Au revoir!